just want to say good morning, Jeju Island in South Korea. It's just gonna be an amazing day, hopefully. We're about to leave to go get lunch, even though I just said good morning. I just woke up real late today and edited a few videos, and hopefully you guys will see them later, which I'm sure you've already seen, but we'll see you guys in a little bit. We're time to go eat. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Where are we right now?
We are. I forgot the name.
Hi, Mom. Where are we right now?
We are at Seopjikoji. Seopji means the town name. Koji means the end of the east area in Island.
So we're in the easternmost part of the island.
Yes.
At this cape.
Yes.
Seopjikoji.
Yes.
So it's absolutely breathtaking. I'll show you guys here in a second because, well, it's almost unreal how everything looks here. Like, unreal. Whew. So we're not even at the top, but this is one of the stops. As you can see right behind me, it's absolutely peaceful. This is absolutely awesome, right?
Yes.
So let the ascent begin. All right, so we're up. About how many meters? 90 what meters?
We're about 100 now.
100 now?
We got 200 to go.
200 meters left. 200 meters left.
200?
200.
At least it's not just...
Hey girls,
Oh, wait.
how do you feel?
I never
I
want
feel great.
You feel great.
Oh gosh.
Just a little...
Climbing is not my thing. I'd rather throw balls.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I feel like...
But as you guys can see behind me, this view just keeps getting better and better every time we get higher and higher. It's crazy.
It's rewarding.
It's very rewarding.
Going down's gonna be easy.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna be zooming down.
Oh yeah.
No, we're gonna go even slower now.
Sweat-ridden thermal underwear sweatpants. Flapping the breeze. I'm
Hey.
fat
Man, good news.
and I'm old.
Good news, Herbert. We're almost there. You got this, man. You. So we made it to the top of the mountain. We're at the summit. And man, the view of this dormant volcano is awesome. It's so peaceful and beautiful.
We walk through fire and rain. Nothing could faze us again. But we couldn't see through the haze, so we burned down.
How are you feeling, Sam?
I feel nothing. I'm numb all over. Like my eyelids are numb.
And you didn't even know your eyelids could feel, huh?
Let me tell you, the only way I made it up here, I saw women wearing flip-flops, and I said, I can't let those ladies pass me. There was a couple of old ladies that asked me to step aside. I said no, and I kept on going. I pushed them back, but then they caught up and passed me.
You heard it from the man himself. The man, the myth, the legend.
I tried to hold them back. They literally pushed me aside.
Finally going back down. I think we're all excited to finally get off this top of this rock and probably hopefully relax and not climb another mountain. Erica's also really out of water and dehydrated, so let's go back down.
Three words for you on my time.